Hi, my name is Joyner Jimenez. Today I'm going to present the correct pronunciation of national phonetic alphabet. Today we are going to, today I'm going to pronounce 15 sentences using the symbol phonetic alphabet. Today I'm going to read 15 sentences using the symbol of the International Phonetic Alphabet. To improve your English learning skills, you must practice and pronounce correctly. For that reason, it's important that you know the phonetic symbols. Here's our sentence. First, I arrived late to my father's party. I arrived late to my father's party. I arrived late to my father's party. My girl waited me, but I could not drive. My girl waited me, but I could not arrive. My girl waited me, but I could not arrive. Do not forget to visit your grandmother, his salon. Do not forget to visit to your grandfather his alone. Do not forget to visit your grandfather his. I have to finish my homework. I have to finish my homework. My uncle is sick. I am going to visit him. My uncle is sick. I'm going to visit him. My uncle is sick. I am going to visit him. The computer is damaged. The computer is damaged. I want to be a good professional. I want to be a good professional. I want to be a good professional. The soccer is my favorite sport. The soccer is my favorite sport. My brother is building a new house. My father is building a new house. My brother is building a new house. She get up at 5 in the morning. She get up at 5 in the morning. She get up at 5 in the morning. My older brother is tall. My older brother is tall. My older brother is tall. Thank you very much. The computer is so slowly. Excuse me for that.